Hello dears, and welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. Today we are in Benidorm city center. It's so dark here. Only at the end we can see some lights from the stage and first shops that have opened here on the Christmas market. Today is the day. Today the Christmas fair, the famous Beni Nadal, will be opening up. It should be a giant celebration, so we will go through the darkness up until the stage to enjoy today's first day of Christmas countdown in Benidorm. Let's go. There is maximum expectation right now. Everything in almost complete darkness with an exception of a couple of lights right here. Everything is turned off and we're really looking forward to see what's going to be happening. And right in front of us, the only thing we see are the stage lights. Even the sellers here on the Christmas market have all the lights turned down. Oh my goodness, there are so many people. There are so many people here on the square. Last year it wasn't the case. Last year we were the only ones who could get up until the stage very easily. But this year, I'm not even sure we're able to make it to the first half towards the stage. There seems to be some live, like authentic, true Christmas trees here in the middle. They are actually alive. They will plant them back into the forest, so don't worry about it. Let's head slightly closer and see what will be happening on today. We are right by the stage. In front of us we have the ice skating rink. That is open actually already, which is strange. Usually they open it immediately once everything is turned on. And a few attractions for children are open too. Look at this massive amount of people. The stage lights have turned on, which means that we will start the countdown up until the beginning of fiesta. And here it is. It appears on the screen. First damas of Benidorm are already here with the mayor of the city. Let's begin the countdown.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Benvinguts a la inauguració de la plaça de Nadal.
Happy December, everyone! Officially, the Christmas fair has started and the countdown till Christmas is on right now. This is absolutely spectacular. Let's watch the fireworks and then we'll explore some more. Stay tuned up until the end. All the colorful lights are on, the confetti is flying everywhere on the square, and the atmosphere is simply incredible. So many fireworks, so many colors around us. All the Christmas trees are shining as stars, and so many people are here today, both locals and tourists obviously, to enjoy the grand firework display. But it's not the only one we will be having in December month. The next one will be on 31st of December to celebrate with a huge concert the New Year on the Levante Beach. So don't miss that one as well if you will be here in Benidorm. work is over, and on the stage, we'll start shortly with different performances for families, for children, and even for adults, for people of all ages. Some people will be heading towards the fair for attractions for children. Others will be getting some snacks and drinks, checking out the Christmas tree. It's so gorgeous here today. It's absolutely incredible. Let's enjoy the Christmas atmosphere in Benidorm. The ice skating rink is also available. It's €8 entry price, and it's obligatory to use the gloves. And if you want some helmet for protection for smaller children, the price is €1 for its rent. The gloves, you're able to keep them obviously after you purchase them, or you can bring your own ones. Children can also rent these lovely dolphins of plastic that cost €2 for rentals. And obviously we could not go away from the fair without going to the ice skating rink because our daughter loves it. We got the dolphin too, and we enjoyed it quite a lot. This was an incredible start of December holidays. All the natural Christmas trees were sparkling with different colors, and on top of the town hall, it said Merry Christmas in English, which was absolutely incredible. We've seen some lovely statues and figures which are special somehow during these holidays. And some points of the Christmas fair where you can get caramelized apples, some sweets and nuts. Obviously, chestnuts are an authentic tradition during Christmas holidays. And why not? We also have some chocolates. This is from Marcos Tonda, and these are turrons plus white milk chocolates, dark ones, and much, much more. And prices were quite symbolic, €1, 2, 3, or 4. Some parts of the Christmas fair are not busy just yet, are not occupied, but hopefully in the next few days, they will be. And the Christmas tree this year surprised us with not one color, but all possible colors on it at the same time, which was a great surprise for all of us. We did not expect that on happening this year. Something special, something different. A lot of people are making pictures and collecting nice memories in Benidorm town. And we are doing that as well, especially for all of you who was not able to come to Benidorm right now in December, but is wondering what the atmosphere is looking like. And maybe, just maybe, next year, this will be the time of the year when you will decide to come on holidays, knowing and seeing what is expecting you guys here in our sunny coastal town of Benidorm. The triangular square right at the end of Mediterranean Avenue, full of gorgeous shops, accessory places, souvenir places, nice shoes, even jewelry shops are all open and available for you guys even in the evening time, because the festive season has started and people are looking for Christmas gifts. There's a lot of different Christmas ornaments here. One of them are the traditional stars, and the other, obviously, is the light tunnel, which is situated on the shopping street of Benidorm. Just look at how lovely it is from here. This is an authentic tradition already to make some pictures right here in the center. Apart from these shiny stars and the tunnel of lights, almost every single tree on the triangular square is decorated with lights somehow. There is a traditional Belen, which a lot of Spanish fancy, sometimes even more than a typical Christmas tree, especially those who are slightly more religious. And children love it. Everyone are willing to take their pictures right here next to the traditional Belen of this big size. The 100 years old ficus also received some nice fancy lights this year. And there's a lot of people walking around Benidorm enjoying the Christmas atmosphere. Obviously, the statues of three kings could not disappear. They have to be present every single year because it's as important as Christmas celebrations, and for some families, even more than that. Even the traditional water fountain by the techno hit has special colors on today. Let's head down the Mediterranean Avenue to see what it looks like at the beginning of Christmas celebrations. As you all can see, the traditional already lights on the trees are on. Every second tree on the Mediterranean Avenue on the walking pedestrian zone is covered with nice, comfortable lights that do not produce headache, which is really much appreciated because it's a warm toned light. There is no wind and it's not cold at all. Ideal evening to explore Benidorm. We appeared on the Levante Beach. Only yesterday we've seen these brand new LED light gurnals shining red. But today they are of a nice white pinkish color. A lot of nightclubs out here also have prepared for Christmas. They've turned on their lights and are waiting for people to celebrate after they enjoy all the Christmas atmosphere in Benidorm town. The Levante Beach, obviously, it's way less busy today. There's barely anyone in bars, on the terraces, simply because everyone are enjoying the concerts, getting some nice hot wine, blue wine, trying typical Spanish churros with chocolate, maybe getting some fries, some snacks, some Christmas-themed drinks in Starbucks, maybe. Even so, why not, right? And everyone are just enjoying the evening, and nightclubs and night pubs will be getting clients slightly later at night once people enjoy everything that Benidorm has to offer this evening. So quiet here, so peaceful. This is what Benidorm is looking like today. This is 2nd of December. You will see this video of the next day on midday as soon as possible, but it's been filmed on Saturday evening / night time. And this is how the Christmas countdown, the opening of the Christmas fair in Benidorm has begun. We absolutely loved it. The confetti, the fireworks, everything was so nicely planned and so smooth that it was amazing. It was great to be out there. The beach is totally empty because all the people are in the city center watching the Christmas tree, watching all the decorations, all the Christmas lights, having a nice drink, going ice skating, which we did too. You could have seen it. Obviously our daughter wanted to, so since I was the one who ice skated, I had to go with her, but we had a lot of fun. And we rented out this penguin dolphin type of thing, and it was really nice experience once again. Thank you for accompanying us on today's video, and this is what you will be able to see every single day now up until after New Year. So Benidorm is waiting for you guys, full of Christmas lights, full of joy and incredible energy and atmosphere. Thank you for accompanying us today. We wish you an incredible day. We wish you an incredible holidays if you're coming on once. And we'll see each other in the new video here on the channel tomorrow with the latest Benidorm news update. Bye, dears.